felt that the narrative we've been told about our world
is an illusion? An illusion that veils us from the truth of who and what we are.
And in that illusion, we've created a collective way of life that traps us into a matrix. The big question is, are you ready to break free, to discover who you really are and your true purpose in this life?
Both ancient wisdom and modern science reveal a far greater potential for humanity than what we're currently manifesting.
Be part of a growing community of game changers who are paving the way for a shift in human consciousness. It's time for us to awaken to that and to shape a new future for our world.
Join me for a journey of discovery and transformation into a new paradigm way of life.